Wow, Jessica, look at those giant trucks rolling in.
Get ready, Harry. These aren't just any trucks. They're here to build something really special.
That machine looks like a robot with a spinning nose.
Haha, it does. That's a drilling machine and it's making a deep hole for our fountain to sit in.
There he goes back.
And now it's time for the second step.
Whoa, that truck's spinning. Is it dizzy?
Not dizzy, it's mixing. Inside that barrel is cement, like super strong mud for building things. See, it is coming out and forming a shape.
A solid base is like the cake stand. It holds up the whole fountain. Whoa, that's huge!
It sure is, and super heavy. But don't worry, our next helper will lift it with ease.
That crane is like a giraffe with muscles.
Haha, perfect description. It's going to carefully place the fountain right on the base.
This part is so cool, I don't want to blink.
Look how steady it is. Just like playing with big blocks, but giant ones.
It's in. It's really in.
Great teamwork, right? But we're not done just yet. We will be adding something more to it.
What else are we adding?
Just wait, Harry. The fun is about to fall from the sky.
Whoa! Benches! Trees! From the sky? Wow, shoo! Look at this waterfall.
Like, share, comment, subscribe to QTP Learn and Fun.